Okay, now we use the simplest way to achieve the most effective front-running bot-based PancakeSwap. Let's look at the general steps first. I will not describe the first two steps in the video in detail. You can refer to the corresponding link, which is very simple. First of all, you need to download MetaMask and install it according to the link in the video description. You need to connect MetaMask to the BSC chain, because currently this robot only supports BNB construction. If you have done this step, then you have completed half of it. Then you just need to open the official website Remix contract editor. This is where we set up the contract. We have to log in to MetaMask. Okay, we can see that I have stored more than 1 BNB at this address. Let's start building our own contract robot. First, we need to create a new contract file. That is, click on the icon to create a new file in the upper left corner. Okay, create a new file. We name it front-run-bot. Then we open the URL that I put in the video description and store the URL of the contract code. We select all and copy and paste them into the Remix editor. Noticed the code on lines 50 and 51. If you query this address in BSC scan, you will find that this is the address of WBNB, which can be used to track BNB. We need to create a PancakeSwap bot, and these are the codes that execute the bot. All information is preloaded through this manager function and then returned to the node.js file. It is built with VS Code so that it can run on injected Web3. Next, we need to compile this contract. We noticed that the version written by the contract code is Solidity 6.6, so the version of the Remix compiler also needs to be 6.6. So we choose version 6.6. Then here to complete the compilation of the clip robot, we click the compile button so that the code is compiled. Next, we will deploy the contract code. In environment, we select injected Web3. And then make sure your MetaMask is connected to Remix. I'm not connected here, so I want to connect to him now. If I connect, it will turn into a small green dot, indicating that the connection is successful. Then your wallet address corresponds to the address here. Okay, now we can deploy the code. Click the Deploy button. Here we adjust the gas price. After that, we wait for a while. And then we can get the confirmation message. Now we have our own contract. We can view specific information and operations by clicking the drop-down arrow on the left side of the contract. There are 3 buttons: Action, Token Name, and Token Symbol. Now we need to copy the contract address, and then send some BNB to the contract address you deployed. We open the MetaMask wallet and click the Send button. Next, we will transfer BNB to the contract we just created. Here we must make sure that the address is correct. Then we send 0.6 BNB to this contract. You can also send a bit more. I sent 1 BNB here to ensure that our contract robot can catch all trading pairs. Then adjust the gas here to 10. and after a while, he will be sent to the contract address. Next, all we have to do is to start the contract bot. After sending BNB to the contract, we get here. Click the Action button. Once successful, the contract will monitor all trading pairs, and then you automatically buy and sell for you. Its working principle is that once a new contract enters the trading pool, it will monitor and automatically trade. In the same block, replace retail transactions with higher gas prices to obtain certain benefits. I defined the function and put it together with this variable, and the transaction can be completed quickly in 1 minute, just by clicking the Action button. Here we need a little gas fee. Let's wait for the results. Our contract robots will automatically search for all trading pairs entered in the pancake. The bot can be sold automatically, and you can trade ahead of others. You only need to compete with other robots in the trading pool. Once a suitable trading pair is detected and bought, it will be sold within 1 minute. 90% of the profit will be automatically sent back to your wallet through the contract, and then 10% of the profit will automatically run the clip robot to transfer the next profit back to your wallet. In the past few weeks, many people have been lucky enough to get hundreds of BNB. Generally, it only takes a few minutes to get the income and return it to your wallet address. Normally, every minute of every day, new contracts will enter the trading pool. Okay, let me see. We already have some gains now. We continue to wait. It may have more benefits. In most cases, more than 10 BNB can be obtained a day. You can run this contract at any time, and the contract will continue to run until you click the Action button again. And good luck at the end.